Laredo trim, CD player, dual zone AC, 4x4, alloy wheels, overhead airbag, iPod MP3 input, flex fuel, heated mirrors. CarAndDriver.com's review says the latest Grand Cherokee is one of the Chrysler Group's best offerings. Click now. Key features include heated mirrors, 4x4, flex fuel, iPod MP3 input, CD player, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC rear spoiler, MP3 player, privacy glass, keyless entry, steering wheel controls. Experts are saying, CarAndDriver.com's review says the latest Grand Cherokee is one of the Chrysler Group's best offerings. Buy from an award-winning dealer. We offer a 3/3 warranty on selected pre-owned vehicles, as well as in-house financing. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.